Hi guys, welcome to the second part of my peanut sauce and satay video. In this one, Mom will be showing you how to make the marinade for the satay meat. We used a lot of lemongrass in the peanut sauce and it is no different when it comes to the marinade. Lemongrass is used a lot in Malaysian cooking. This is why I grow my own rather than decimate the local markets, and sometimes it's actually quite hard to find depending on season. Now where were we? Oh yeah, ingredients. Check out the description box below for the full recipe and the amounts you'll need for this marinade.
The spices are the same for beef or chicken or lamb or whatever other meat that you prefer. The reason why I chose to do real seed ingredient, fresh ingredients, because then your satay will be very aromatic and it tastes really good.
First, grind up the coriander, cumin and fennel seeds into a fine powder.
You just like kind of grind it like this first. When it's broken, only then you pound it. Otherwise it will just splatter up. We have to be fine because otherwise when you eat the satay meat you can really like kind of eat bits and pieces of the spices. There are some people who use just the powder already bought from the supermarket, but the taste will be better with this in terms of taste and flavor and smell.
Next, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces.
Throw away the fat, but
don't throw away the fat.
Not too much fat. A little bit of fat good, but too much fat is no good because why? You'll burn the meat. Cut up the galangal, fresh turmeric, garlic and blend it finely with some water. The juice is what we want, so the finer you blend everything, the more flavors the rhizomes will release. Pour the juice over your chicken, add in the turmeric powder to enhance that beautiful bright yellow color, then add brown sugar, tamarind juice and the freshly grounded spices and mix it all up. Let the meat marinate for at least 30 minutes, but the best is overnight in the fridge. Warning though, don't let it marinate for more than one night because the meat can actually become too soft and over tenderized. This is how the chicken looks after it has been marinated overnight. For this particular meal, we also marinated some beef so that we can enjoy beef satay together. Here comes the time-consuming part, skewering the meat. Right, before you skew it, you must soak these bamboo skewers at least for 20 minutes so that it will not get burned easily as you burn the satay, okay? So the technique of skewing the satay is you don't do like that, yeah? Dangling like that is not right. You have to make it flat and you prick it there and then leave some space there for you to handle it. So in order to have some oil, natural oil from the chicken fat, you can have one piece of chicken that has got the fat on it, or most of the satay shops in town, they have the skin there. It's one satay. It took about 30 minutes between the both of us to skewer 1 kilo of chicken and 1 kilo of beef. So it's best to do it with someone so that you can actually have a chat. This is an example of some of the topics that Mom and I talked about while we were skewering the meat. Actually, the man from the Italian man, tak suka. Italian man is a good lover, no?
As if you tahu lah. And there you have it, my mom's satay recipe. We cooked ours on the gas barbecue, but traditionally you cook it over a charcoal fire to get that awesome charred taste. Since we soak the skewers in water, they are less likely to burn off during this cooking phase. Here's that sizzle! Serve the satay with sliced cucumber, red onion, nasi impit, and eat it with the peanut sauce that we made in part 1 of this video. Link below if you're interested. If you like my videos, consider subscribing and chop that notification button to be notified of future videos. See you in my next one. Bye! I'm just sharing the love of cooking it for the family. It's not money making. Money making, I definitely will lose. This business will definitely make me bankrupt.